inspired by another very colorful wig from Sensational Hair right here. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down here as well as little bell so you are notified when I upload videos every single week. So this wig is from Sam's Beauty right here, and she is part of the Sheer Muse collection, which is amazing. And so I don't know if you had seen, but I actually did another wig in the style of Michaela in the hot pink, and she is gorgeous, so definitely check that out if you did not catch that video. All right, so here is Miss Lachan right here. And so here's all the amazing colors that she comes in. It's literally out of control, the amount of colors. It's a little dream. And then also what's really neat about this line is that there is a color, it's called Color Me, which means that it is a color that if you wanted to actually color the wig yourself, that is the base hair that you would use. They actually have a video for this. I'll leave the link down below for the video from Sensational Hair about this. So the reason why I chose Lachan in this blue color is because I follow Chrisspy on Instagram, and she always wears wigs all the time. And she had this blue wig, and I was like, I am obsessed with this color. So I've been like seeking a wig like to emulate this wig color, and it actually is really hard to find. So when I saw this in the straight, I was like, I gotta do this for Chrisspy. I gotta have my Chrisspy moment. So let's just get talking about this gorgeous wig. I mean, let's just talk about this, wow, just concentrated gorgeous color. And what's really nice about this wig is that she has like a color and cut of like a salon style, so she's very light in texture, and then also she has these really nice layers. She is straight, but she has a little bit of body to her, so she isn't like stick straight. I think she's maybe around 24 inches like at the very bottom. We'll see a little bit more with that. And then as for how she's actually made, so she has a gorgeous deep parting right there, like super exciting. And then as you can see, she does have pre-cut baby hairs right here in front. And then as for the cap construction, she does have medium tone lace right here. And then she has two little combs right here in the front. And then she does have one comb in the back. She does have a medium size cap, and it has some nice flex to it. So if you require a large head friendly wig, she would work for you. Okay, so let's put this girl on. So I do have a nude wig cap that I got from Amazon. I got a 10 pack for $5.99. I really like these wig caps. And I put my wigs on front to back. And oh my gosh, this color is so striking. Okay, so let's take a look at her hairline really quickly. So her hairline isn't bad. I do feel like she could use a little bit of plucking right here on the sides, a little bit in the front. Her actual parting plucking I feel is perfect, like really great there. But yeah, she would just need a little bit of plucking, a little bit of love. All right, so now let's cut off the lace and see what we're working with. Okay, now let's take our wig brush and lightly brush her out. All right, here she is after brushing her out, gorgeous. And for shedding, she actually had very minimal shedding, like nothing aggressive as you can see here. So let's take a look at the length of this girl. So she is probably really more on the 22 mark, but I really like wigs that are a little bit shorter than 24 for everyday wear because it's not going to be super aggressive. All right, so now let's play with the parting. So she does have a fixed parting, which means that we'll just shift the wig cap versus flipping it around. So let's shift her to my left eyebrow, which is where I usually part my hair. And I definitely like this look, like definitely my crispy kind of vibe. I can definitely get that with adding a little bit of volume to this girl by giving her some teasing and whatnot. And of course, if I wanted to make it look even more like Chrisspy's wig by adding some roots, you could either just use mascara, you can use eyeshadow, or really almost anything that is a dark color. Now let's move it to the other side. Definitely the same kind of look on both sides, which is great. So if you have a preference to how you like your hair parted, like this would absolutely work for you. So again, this wig is from Sam's Beauty right here. She is from Sensational, and she is part of the Sheer Muse collection. Absolutely in love with this beautifully colorful line. Let me know if any of you have this wig, or if you have this wig in another color, or if you have Ms. Michaela that I did right here. So reach out to me on Instagram. That is a great way for you to send me pictures of you being fabulous, and I so appreciate each and every single one of you sending me photos of you and your wigs. You all look amazing. So let's all have fun, live in color, and wear some wigs. Because remember, it is your right every single day of your life to be as fabulous as you want to be. And if you feel fabulous in this amazing electric blue Lachan wig, wear it, love it, and own it. I want to thank you, and we will see you soon.